Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to redeem a voucher code. So in order to redeem a voucher code, you have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and log in into your voucher account. So open up a browser and on the web address bar type in voucher.co.uk. That is going to take you to the official page, which is going to look something like this. So according to the voucher, there's no such direct way of contacting it from the official page. All you have to do is you just need to go ahead and open up a new tab and on the web address bar type in www.voucher.co.uk/page/contact. It's going to take you to the contact page where you need to go ahead and select the category and all that, and accordingly you need to go ahead and express your queries and all that, and you should be able to get in touch with the customer service team. For this video, I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.